sand patch on slicks just beautiful. Like I was doing it. And I'm like, oh, you couldn't do that before, right? Like you had to like. So then you got to tell yourself just to pin it across the wet parts and let it do its job. And if you let out of it, then it messes it up. You have to. And that's why when you do see the
Cradle point, what the heck is that?
Everybody was on 26. It was fun. And the cool thing about it is, even in the Rockies, not that you're on top, you start to where it's all not big rocks, but like gaps. You hit them small kind of maybe like riding like you get off and stuff. 29-inch wheel. So they just come down the road. Like I'm carrying on the flats. But my road bikes are light, right? My race mountain bikes. Yes, because Chris is and our shop, I give this the shop that I ride out small, but it's a very enthusiast shop. Right? It's not just a, like guys who are there ride. He's sold 10 of them already, 2013s. 10 S-Works, and he can't. He's selling the wrong to me, and he can't get any more. They're sold out. He's completely sold out of carbon fiber bikes.